Hi everyone, my name is Natalie and I'm the International Coordinator here at Cal State Long Beach. Today I'm going to show you how to make an appointment with our International Student Advisors. The first step is to log into your SSO and click on Beach Connect. From there you're going to go to the right hand side and click on Get Assistance. For this next step, it's very important to put this in exactly how I am doing it. So for the type of appointment, click on Academic Advising. And for the service, go ahead and scroll down and click on Visa Immigration CIE only. For the date, you can go ahead and pick whichever date you want. In this example, I'm going to put June 14th and click on Find Available Times. This first page that opens is going to show you all the availability that all of our advisors have. So if you're not looking for anyone in specific, you can go ahead and click on the first available time slot. For this specific appointment, we can see it's on June 14th, 10 to 10:30 a.m. with Myra, and it's an online appointment. If that's all okay with you, you can go ahead and take this appointment, but if you're looking for a specific advisor, or maybe you want to meet in person instead, you can go back and go to the filters on the left-hand side. So I want to meet with Ignacio because I've talked to him before, and I want to meet with him in person. Now it's only going to show me options with Ignacio in person. We see he has an appointment available from 1:30 to 2 on June 14th. That works in my schedule. Here again, it'll just go over all the details with you. Make sure to make a little note about what you want to talk about. So I want to talk to Ignacio about some questions I have about CPT. Once you've finished this, go ahead and scroll to the bottom and confirm the appointment. When the appointment is confirmed, you will receive an email from our office with all these details. Make sure to get to our office about 5 minutes early if you're going for an in-person appointment, or if you're going on a Zoom appointment, make sure you're on the computer and ready to log in 5 minutes early. If you have any questions, please email us at CIE-student@csulb.edu. Thanks so much and have a great day.